peanut butter cookies. Okay, everything we're going to need for these peanut butter cookies. First off, we got a cup of the wheat butter that I made in my last video, a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, a cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon and a half of baking soda, a cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, a spatula, a small bowl, and a large bowl, and a beater. Now let's get started. First we're going to start with a cup of flour. We're going to mix our dry ingredients together, minus the sugars. We're going to cream the sugars in just a moment. We got a cup of flour, and we're going to need a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon about like that, not much for measuring. We got a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Let's get about the same here. Very good. And we just mix that up. Now we set that to the side. I'm going to take a cup of our already still melted wheat butter. Throw that in there. Oh yeah. I'm going to take peanut butter. Take brown sugar, open it up, cup of that, right there, cup of regular sugar, and there we go. Okay, we're going to stick our beater into the peanut butter and then turn it on slow and wash it. Very slowly beat it till it all becomes real creamy. We want it creamy, mixy, no chunks, everything all nice and smooth. Once you get it all creamy, you cook your eggs. 1. Put that in there, and second one, bring all that together, get it all nice and smooth, Alright, you see how it's starting to make those little waves in there? That means it's time to add the dry mixture. Like that. And they're looking pretty good. Now if you do that, you don't want to get it too far above the bowl and only on low, maybe the second one, just to get some of that peanut butter off. Remember, there's wheat butter in here, so every bit of that has THC. We'll lick these off here in a little bit. Okay, we're going to preheat our oven to 375. We'll start balling up the cookies. I like to do light spray. Do a light spray. Always use a scoop. Give them more even if you'd like. If you're not comfortable, I'll hand it out like this. It looks like we're going to get a little bit more than 24 cookies. Maybe a little too small. But that's okay when you're dealing with edibles, because you never want to eat too many. This would be a good way to kind of eat one little one and see how it does, and eat more if you want. Just remember, Give it enough time. Give it a couple hours. If you're still not feeling it, it still might be coming in. If you know it's good weed that you put in there, just be careful. You don't want to overdo it. Okay, now we're going to take a fork and a glass of water. We want to make sure the fork's wet. It'll keep the peanut butter from sticking. We're going to go one way like this, and we're going to go like that, make a little crisscross. Dunk in between each cookie. If they start to stick, you might do it in between each crisscross. Just kind of, flatten them out and give them that cool little peanut butter cookie design that we all know from Grandma's house.
This ain't Grandma's cookies,
You see how this one's kind of close there? It's not really moving. We can just kind of use the fork to kind of push the weight over to this side. So you still have a little bit of space in here for when it cooks and expands just a little bit. Same thing as this one right here. Just kind of move it over. Open the oven. Put one tray on in. We're going to do one tray at a time. Set the timer. 10 minutes. Same thing here. Do the last of our cookies, but these are first balls that we made. Okay. Okay, so here's a good example for why you should listen to the time on the directions. These are the ones we put in for a little bit. They're still a little soft in the middle, but they're a little crunchy. These ones we just pulled off, they're going to be a little bit better. Either way, it's all edible. They're all going to be it. There we go. That's how you make edible peanut butter cookies. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you know when I